We provide beautiful house construction with a civil and structural designing, including interior elevations. It's 100 square yard or 1000 square yard, not a question. If you want a beautiful, elevated house, just call us. We do that. Our phone number 92 463 72692. In your budget, we do the construction and we give the plannings. Extraordinary house designing, Italian models, and luxurious houses. We do the construction as per our budget and choice, including Vastu. We are experts in Vastu also. We have a special team for that. Our phone number 92 463 72692. Our factory and company in Hyderabad, RTC Cross Road. We give our level best level service. In the construction, interior and architects, civil works, complete turnkey projects. For example, 1000 square yard property here. If you want the complete construction, we do that in 3 to 4 months. Even 100 square yard or 1 lakh square yard is not a question. If you want any construction, just call us. Our phone number 92 463 72692. We use the best quality materials and sophisticated engineering technology. Total turnkey project. You don't want to worry for anything. Even the permissions we do. Thank you.